This 2025 Forest River Sandpiper Destination Trailers 395 mmg is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Hewitt, Texas, 76643 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Waco. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features couples coach, front bath, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.